Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter in this Samsung refrigerator, shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open both refrigerator doors and rotate the old filter counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. To install the new water filter, first remove the protective cap. Then insert the filter into the housing and rotate clockwise until it locks into place. Open the home's water supply line valve and fill approximately 5 glasses of water to rinse out any impurities before using the ice or water dispenser.